Hi you guys, welcome back. I'm doing a review today on some Bramble Berry fragrances. First up we have Cactus Flower. It has a very fresh cut flower scent with a sweet fruity note on top. It's a very clean floral scent and I really like this one. Cocoa Butter Cashmere. This one is a very soft, sophisticated, clean, feminine scent. Has a pleasant, almost like a drier sheet scent with cocoa butter on top. Pineapple and papaya. You can definitely smell the pineapple. It's a very fruity and tropical scent. For those of you who like those like tropical punch type of scents, I think you'd like this one. Okay, so this scent is very concentrated in the bottle. When you smell it, it hits you and it smells just like the stems of the roses, like very fresh cut roses. Once it dies down though, if you like or if you've ever smelled the rose water and ivy smell from Bath and Body Works, it's very light and like clean. So if you like that type of scent, that's what wild rose smells like. Lemon bar is pretty descriptive in the name. It smells like a lemon cookie. Shave and a haircut. This one is a very masculine cologne type scent. Oh, it smells so good, like a man with his life together. It reminds me of Dr. Teal's, I think it's ginger and clay. It smells really, really good. So Midnight Waters is my least favorite. So it smells really grassy to me, mixed with like a hint of floral perfume or something. But to each his own. If you guys have bought this and you like it, let everyone else know what you think in the comments down below. Alright you guys, so that's my review on these fragrances, and I plan to use some of them in my products. I try to be as descriptive as possible, but if you've tried some, let me know what you think. Tell me what you use them in. If you made soap, lotion, candles, whatever, let me know. Also, it took like 3 weeks for me to get this order. Just putting that out there. I know they are experiencing shipping delays because of COVID-19. But I just want to let you all be aware of that before you order. It will take a lot of time. So thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think. I do have an actual DIY coming up, so be patient and I'll be posting that soon. Thank you.